There's so much to explore when you're outside. Hi, neighbor. We're going on a nature walk. You can come too. We can walk with my mom or with my dad. Who should we walk with this time?
Tiger-tastic! We can go to Jungle Beach and the woods.
If you want, you can invite someone you know to come too. Okay, let's go explore!
Enjoy your walk together.
There's so much to see at Jungle Beach. Do you see anything we could collect? The butterflies are so colorful.
What a colorful shell!
Have you ever seen seaweed? What could we make with this stick?
A shell? I think Mom would like that.
Have you ever seen seaweed? Dad, look at this rock. Let's walk like a hermit crab. You can try too.
Off to the woods.
Let's look around and see what we find in the woods.
All these leaves and trees make it nice and shady. Let's chirp like those birds. Chirp, chirp. You can try too. Squirrels collect acorns to eat. What food do you like to eat?
Look, Dad, a pine cone. I like this leaf. What colors are the leaves in your neighborhood? I can't wait to show Mom what we found. Let's look in my bag and choose one thing for my mom. What do you think she'd like? Tiger-tastic choice. I think she'll really like that. Here you go, Mom. This is for you.
Thank you. That was so kind to bring me something from your walk.
I had a terrific time exploring outside with my dad and with you, neighbor. Do you want to go on another nature walk?
Wonderful. We can go to the bridge and the enchanted garden.
If you want, you can invite someone you know to come too. Okay, let's go explore.
Enjoy your walk together.
I wonder what we're going to find here. Do you see anything we could collect? This rock has moss on it. It feels kind of fuzzy. Like me.
Let's wiggle like the worm. You can try too.
A flower. This one is okay to pick.
We can't pick all the flowers, but we can pick that one.
Leaves can be so many different colors.
Wow, those dragonflies are such bright colors.
Ooh, grass. It's so green. Let's go to the enchanted garden. There's so much to see in the enchanted garden. What do you see? Yummy choice. What kind of fruit do you like? I like this flower for our collection. Let's chirp like those birds. Chirp, chirp. You can try too. An orange.
Yum! I like strawberries.
Blueberries. Tiger-tastic.
Fruit! Delicious! Have you ever planted a flower? Butterflies! Aren't they fun to watch?
It's fun to visit the enchanted garden.
Yum! I like strawberries.
I can't wait to show Dad what we found. Let's look in my bag and choose one thing for my dad. What do you think he'd like? Tiger-tastic choice. I think he'll really like that. Here you go, Dad. This is for you.
Thank you. That was so kind to bring me something from your walk.
I had a terrific time exploring outside with my mom. And with you, neighbor.